In this guide, I'll show you how to check your ping as well as packet loss in Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is press the start button or plus button on your controller. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to settings. Then using the right button, we're going to scroll over until we reach game UI. Now what you want to do is scroll down because we're going to be turning on net debug stats. So I'm going to turn this on now and make sure you apply these settings. It'll be a little bit laggy for a second. Then what you want to do is go back to the game. And if you take a look in the top right, just where near the compass is, you'll see my ping, which is currently sitting around 50, as well as how many packets and packet loss. Now, if you have a packet loss figure that's above 0, that means your game is experiencing lag, as well as taking a look at your ping. That's really important as well. Generally speaking, if you're below 100, you're doing all right, and anything lower is great. If you're over 100, that's where you can really start to feel the lag while playing in game. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.